For our next demo scenario, let's focus on sales efficiency. I'd like to showcase how Creatio Energy brings AI and modern CRM automation front and center to day-to-day sales operations. We'll use an example of a manufacturing company where a sales rep goes through a fully automated proposal and order management process, leveraging new features from the Creatio Energy release. Let's imagine that a sales rep receives a call from an existing customer who needs several more units of a previously purchased product. Sounds like a great upsell opportunity. The sales rep starts by opening a client record and then uses an AI skill to generate a summary of the client's history to better assess the context. The summary provides them with immediate insights on the current installations, purchased products, and previous proposals generated for that client. The sales rep then creates a new order and starts adding products. In the newly revamped product catalog, they are provided with an intuitive experience with full visuals of available products and services. Take a look at how easy we can navigate through the catalog. It also supports dynamic product hierarchy, flexible filtering, and advanced search. Let's see how all this works together. The sales representative adds the necessary products to the order and checks with Copilot for additional suggestions on products and services. In this instance, Copilot recommends a complementary product along with the corresponding installation service. The sales representative confirms the suggested items, which are then automatically added to the order as optional. This approach not only offers the customer added value, but it can also increase the deal size by 20%. It's time to explore potential discounts that could be applied to this offer to encourage the customer to complete the full purchase. Copilot can provide insights into the discounts previously offered to this client and the rationale behind them. We can utilize an appropriate AI skill to request an optimal discount. This discount can be applied to the additional items, demonstrating our commitment to fostering a long-term relationship with the client. The total price is automatically recalculated and displayed using the new summary component, which can be used to calculate and showcase summary data on any page within your application. To finalize the order creation, the sales representative submits it for approval using the embedded order management workflow. With Creatio, you can easily customize the workflow to meet your specific needs and utilize purpose-built applications and connectors from our marketplace. In this example, the order management workflow is enhanced with advanced approval capabilities, allowing users to set configurable stages and select different approvers based on their requirements. Once the process is complete, the sales representative can view the full list of approvals in the order and is ready to generate a quote for the client. They can leverage the Copilot AI skill to quickly prepare a personalized email, which includes both a letter and a quote that Copilot will send over to the client. Copilot has another suggestion. It recommends that we set a reminder for a follow-up call in 2 days. All right, absolutely. Let's do it. As previously mentioned, the user experience in the Creatio Energy release has been enhanced with usability improvements, including a new lightweight calendar mode. To recap, we've just demonstrated how the Creatio Energy release, utilizing Copilot AI and modern CRM capabilities, can significantly boost sales efficiency. Copilot seamlessly guided the rep through an automated quote and order process, offering product suggestions, calculating discounts, and even generating quotes. It also assisted with the follow-up tasks, such as setting reminders and composing emails. The revamped product catalog and calendar components, along with no-code capabilities, further streamlined the sales process.